I'm very fond of one of our competitors. They have a ticker on their website about how many models have been produced.
Okay.
And it always reminds me, honestly, of the Cinco de Mayo counter, right? It's kind of like, oh, we're counting every time we're getting there, right? It's inevitable we will get there, right?
Mhm.
But then when you kind of take that next step and you say, well, how many has been implemented into production, right?
Yes.
Then that number kind of it drops drastically. And this is
Yeah.
what I call the shiny object syndrome, right?
Hmm.
Where you have an opportunity where you produce a model and then you say, then what? What do I
Right.
do next? And one of the things that we do is we enable all of our customers that engage with us. We ensure their success from build to implementation. We take them all the way through the entire life cycle because in the end, if they don't realize the value that machine learning can bring their organization, then they'll just end up being just another shiny object of producing a model. And they say, well, what do I do with this data? I have it. And this is where kind of our background, this is where our DNA of being involved with systems integration and being involved with understanding what does it take to then actually implement a solution that ends up at the fingertips of their customers so that they can receive the value. And
Hmm.
that's something that we do. So we assist our customers, whether they're using our free plan, whether they're using one of our commercial plans, to go through that entire life cycle of implementation, not just building a model, but of implementation, because then that is ultimately what will drive sustainability is producing the model, implementing the model, realizing the value of that model.